today we're going to solve about equilibrium of rigid bodies. So we have a problem of F5-4. Determine the components of reaction at the fixed support A. Neglect the thickness of the beam. So in our diagram, we have a fixed support which has three unknown components: AX, AY, and moment of A. So for summation of Fx, it is going to the right, which is positive. So negative AX plus 400 cosine 30 is equals to 0. So the solve for 400 cosine 30 is AX equals 346.4 Newton. And the solve for summation of Fy, going up is positive. So AY minus 200 times 3. We multiply it to 3 because we have a 200 Newton here. So 200 times 3 minus 400 sine 30, which is our given here. So 400 sine 30, so it is equals to AY is equals to 800 Newton. And so for the moment of A, which is counterclockwise, assume positive. So MA is equals to negative 200 times 2.5 because our 2.5 here is the result of 3 cosine 60 plus 1. 200 times 2.5 minus 200 3.5 because our 3.5 is the result of 3 cosine 60 plus 2, and negative 200 times 4.5 because it is the result of 3 cosine 60 plus 3, and negative 400 sine times 45 because it is the result of 3 cosine 60 plus 3, and negative 400 cosine 30 times 3 sine 60 is equals to 3,900 Newton meter, and we will divide it to 1,000. So our MA is equals to 3.98 kilonewton meter. Any question?
Ano yung project 1,000?
In order para convert ito siya into kilonewton meter, we have to divide it to 1,000.
Determine the resultant practical components of reaction. And the member at the PA, the normal reaction at the roller beam. So you have a diagram, you have a 3 feet and 750 for atomic force, 750 pound, and 3 feet for 2 feet, and reaction base. We have our ito reaction in A because P is a reaction with AX and AY is B1. So we have our moment, estimation of moment na equals to 0. Measure na counterclockwise positive. So we have BY plus cosine 30 and 60 minus BY is 30 times 2 feet minus 750 so our BY is 526.2 pounds. So our solution of Fx is equal to 0. Our AX is minus 536.2 sine 30. So our AX is 268 pounds. And our solution of Fy is equal to 0. So AY plus 526.2 cosine 30 minus 758. Our AY is 126. Questions?
Why didn't
Kita lang pili ko sa moment of delay. Basta ka na reaction ng ito ang ito is submission ng moment of delay para na ang atong reaction sa reaction.